Before you order, please confirm the original CD connector if use fiber at back. Some Benz cars has the most fiber system. Our product do not support the most fiber system. Even so, if still need to install our product, please use 6 meters line for extend our product to car sound. Sound quality may drop. Please think twice. Before you order, please confirm the set heating and electronic curtains button with the air condition control panel or not, or they are under the air condition control panel. More information in our product illustrated picture. If your electric car's set heating and electronic curtains button are separated from air condition panel, you will lose that two functions. Please do not order. Some E53, E39 with dedicated amplifier at the trunk. After you install our EW802P, if there's low sound of hall, please check if the amplifier single switch has connected to the amplifier control line with EW802P. The amplifier control line supplies 12 power to open the amplifier. Some audio sound is low frequency, but the output from our product is high frequency, so we need converters. It's easy to use. More information, please check the forum.
This EWAY GPS new list 2014 Pure Android dual-core A-line car DVD navigation products. Its HD has sensitive capacitive touchscreen, 8G flash, 1G DDR3, powerful hardware. It can play 1080p video and install real-time online map navigation apps and other Android application apps. It can define any buttons function, support car compass, steering wheel control, rear camera, digital TV, DVR, etc.